Hey, what's up, Smart fam? Welcome back to our channel where we help you navigate the wild world of consumerism. Today, we're diving into the pixel-packed realm of mirrorless cameras. It's a showdown between the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R100. First up, let's talk about the price. The Sony ZV-E10 is coming in hot at $799, which some reviewers say is a bit steep, but worth it for the features you get. On the flip side, the Canon R100 is the wallet-friendly option at $599. Many users appreciate its affordability, especially for beginners looking to step into photography. So if you want to save some bucks for that fancy new tripod, the Canon might be your best bet. Now let's get serious for a second. Image quality. The ZV-E10 boasts a whopping 24.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering impressive image quality that many reviewers rave about, especially for vlogging. Meanwhile, the R100 has a 24.1 megapixels CMOS sensor, which also delivers excellent picture quality, making it a great introduction to serious photography according to users. Both cameras can take stunning shots, but we all know it's the ZV-E10 that's stealing the limelight at the family reunion. Time to hit the record button. The ZV-E10 is a video-making machine with 4K capabilities oversampled from 6K, and reviewers love its real-time eye autofocus and product showcase setting for vlogs. On the other hand, the R100 can shoot video too, but it doesn't quite match the ZV-E10's capabilities. Users mention that while it's good for basic video, it lacks the advanced features that make the ZV-E10 stand out. So if you're after high-quality video features, the ZV-E10 is your best bet. Next up, autofocus. The ZV-E10 has a fast and snappy autofocus that many users find reliable, while the R100 features dual-pixel CMOS AF, covering up to 143 zones. Reviewers appreciate the autofocus of both cameras, but some have noted issues with the R100 settings changing unexpectedly, which can be frustrating. If you're the kind of person who can't sit still for a second, both cameras will be able to keep up with your antics, but the ZV-E10 might be a safer choice. Finally, let's talk features. The ZV-E10 has a background defocus button that instantly toggles between defocus effects, which many users find magical for achieving dreamy shots. Meanwhile, the R100 is compact and lightweight, praised for its portability and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners. Reviewers recommend the R100 for its quick snapping ability, but if you're looking to impress your friends with some bokeh, the ZV-E10 might be your best bet. In summary, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is highly regarded for its video capabilities and image quality, making it a favorite among content creators and vloggers. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 is praised for its affordability and portability, making it a solid choice for beginners and casual photographers. However, some users have reported issues with the R100's autofocus and battery life. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of the mirrorless cameras, it really comes down to what you prioritize. If you want to be the next big influencer with top-notch video features, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is your golden ticket. But if you're looking for something lightweight and easy on the wallet that can still deliver, the Canon EOS R100 is waiting for you with open arms. Just don't let it float away. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more awesome comparisons, and let us know in the comments which camera you'd choose. Until next time, keep buying smart and snapping those fabulous shots.